I just opened up my bags from Anime Bee, and Shadow decided to go exploring. For some reason, he loves this. This is an ice pack with one piece on it. Okay? Watch what happens when I put this down. This is the funniest thing. Watch this. I put it right there. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
100,000 New Yorkers
Look at this.
living with HIV, and 1 in 5 of them don't know it. If we act like AIDS,
He's mad now. I put it there.
these numbers will grow.
Now watch if I put it closer to him. You want this? Jack, you want this? Huh? I'll put it right here. Want right here? Huh? What do you want? Right here? Huh? Huh? What is that? It's an ice pack. It's an ice pack. No, it's an ice pack. There must be something in it. Ooh. He won't touch any of the other stuff. He wants that. Now let's see what else he's going for.
Claim may be denied if you do not file in a timely fashion. To see if you qualify, please call Whites in Luxembourg at 1-800-411-LAWS or visit LungCancerTrusts.com. Whites in Luxembourg, with you, a step of the way.
He's trying to get that. If you pop that, it's gonna go off. It's gonna go off. No. See, it's gonna go off. What else did you want? Do you want this? Huh? These are mine. Okay. There's Stuffies. Huh? You want a Stuffy? I gotta take more stuff out. Huh? What's yours? Told you you could pick one thing. I didn't think you'd pick that. What? You wanna see this one? See, that's that. Then there's this. He even knocked this down. He's like, these are mine. Right? You're like, these are mine.
That's 1-866-630-3467. Or visit us online to save even more. Fios, a network.
Very silly cat. Let's see what he does.
For some reason, those five food groups sound a whole lot better when you put them in a taco shell.
What's he looking for? There's nothing back there.
Instead of a pyramid.
Do you want me to take this off so you can lie down? Shadow. Shadow. Do you want this off so you can lie down? Alright, hey, now you take it off. Okay, look, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Look, I'm taking them off. Putting them there. Ooh, look. Huh? None of those are my ears. You have your own ears. Huh? You want the chair? Look, I'm taking it off the chair. Look, I'm taking it off the chair. Okay, everything, this is everything that was on the chair. Okay? Even the box. Look. He's digging under the box. Look at him. We don't know what the hell. What are you looking for? What is it? Which one? What, is it the box? Oh, is it the box? You want the box? No. He's going after this bag. What do you want to do? Huh? You done? You done? What? Is this what you wanted? I said you could pick a Stuffy.
For 10 months. You got paid for doing nothing.
You're like, I want this box. I'm like, you can't have the box. You want a Stuffy? Pick a Stuffy.
You got everything that you're going to get from her. Do you understand?
Huh? Oh, God. Give me the tissue. Don't snap it. Give me it back. Don't snap it. Don't snap. I know you want this. Don't snap this. It's not food. This is not food. I think the translation is it's an ice pack. The Japanese is a little rusty. He really wanted this. No, don't scratch the bag. Don't scratch the bag. Okay, that bag has some stuff too that was giveaways. This one. Okay, now he's in this one.
The defendant is or was your boyfriend. I'm not
I
exactly
can't even
sure
unpack
what
yet.
it is.
Okay,
You don't
how about this, Shadow?
Because
Shadow, look at me.
It's a relatively simple one.
Let's move these, because you were playing with these before. He likes playing with tissues.
He had your permission to drive your car.
Okay.
He had an accident.
I think we're good. He's not going to come back
He
yet.
was severely
Oh,
damaged.
he's back.
You want him to pay for you to get another car because your
Look, I'm moving the stuff off the chair.
did not cover him.
You want what's in the bag.
No license, right?
Look at him sitting there.
Your
babe.
boyfriend.
A couple of months,
No, don't scratch the bag.
about 2.
Did he come and pick you up?
No, he did not. I went to his house.
Can I take pictures of everything first before you pick?
And he didn't have a car because he didn't have a.
License, I guess. Remember?
Huh?
My first.
Can I unpack?
So you used to go.
Let me unpack.
I would go, drive to his house and then he would.
Huh? You gonna talk to the camera? Can I unpack?
Mispossess. Sort of
Huh?
discussion over that 2-month.
No, you're going after this thing.
Mr. Munson
No.
didn't have a car.
No, not yet. Okay?
What did he tell you?
He told me he had crashed his car.
Let's move this. Are you doing this because you want this? Oh, hold on.